Welcome back everyone. In our previous tutorial we have seen how to compare different algorithms. In computer science we know that when we have a problem we try to write a program for that problem and solve it. So program could be in C, C++, Java, Python or any other language in which you want to implement the program. But when we have a problem, what we would like to do, we would like to first write an algorithm and then implement that algorithm as a program. An algorithm is some informal description to solve the problem. We also discussed that for a problem you could have multiple algorithms. Up to an, and our task is to choose the best algorithm out of these algorithms. So how we are going to choose the best? If you want to compare two functions, you should have some notations to compare those functions. An asymptotic analysis, or we can say that asymptotic notation provides us that facility to compare the different functions or different running times. So how we are going to do that? We have a graph. The y-axis of graph shows rate of growth of a function, and axis of the graph shows the input size of the problem. Now what we are going to do, we are going to draw those two functions or multiple functions on this graph which we want to compare. So in computer science we have some notations to compare the algorithms, and we will start with the first one. We'll just see how many notations we have, and then we'll in next lecture we are going to discuss all these in detail. So first one is big O notation, which is written like big O. Second one is big omega, and it's written like this. Third one is theta notation, and symbol for theta notation is this theta. Fourth one is, when we are talking about big O, then there is a small o, and which is written literally as small o. And the fifth one, small omega, which you write like this. We have talked about some best and worst cases. So generally this big O notation is used to show the worst case of an algorithm. This omega is used to show the best case, and theta it about average. So what exactly these notations mean, we'll be discussing in our next lecture. Thank you so much.